Hello everyone, myself Vivek. I welcome you all to my channel Vivek Artworks. So today I will be drawing portrait of Sergio Ramos. For that, first of all, I have made the outline of the sketch using grid method. And then I have started coloring the face with first layer of flesh tint, second layer of light orange and third layer of light brown. And then I am coloring the lips with first layer of light pink, second layer of brown and again third layer of light pink. I am coloring the hairs according to the reference. Do like the video and subscribe the channel for this kind of drawing tutorials. See you all in next video and thanks for watching.